Welcome to HSI Euless's annual STEMfest. We are so excited to have you here for our largest school event of the year. Today is all about learning, exploring, having fun, grabbing a bite to eat, and in celebrating the incredible STEM projects our students have worked so hard on. Thank you so much for joining us.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early lights what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose west stars and bright sides through the perilous heights, o'er the ramparts we watch, with so gallantly stream, and the rocket's red flame, the bumpers singing, came through the night, and our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thank you for allowing me to come here. Thank you for allowing me to come to the school, the Harmony School of Innovation, and seeing the STEM program. I'm excited to see all the activities that you've done, all the things that you've done inside. So on behalf of the City of Euless and the Euless Police Department, thank you for being here.
The Euless Fire Department not only has fire trucks and ambulances, but we also do the bomb squad, the swiftwater rescue team, the technical rescue team, and any other kind of rescue that goes on. So what do those things have in common with you? Science, technology, engineering, and math.
Howdy, everybody. I heard that you recently had a great 6-7 challenge. Yeah! Thank you so much for bringing the food to 6 Stones. We were able to help so many families with the 1,000 items that y'all brought to us. And not only do those projects bring the students and the families together at this school, but it also brings the community together. And we are so grateful that we are in the HEB area. This is such a special community, and thank y'all for being part of it.
But I am going to thank all of you, all our parents here. You guys are amazing. You are working really good with us whole year. It's my 5th year here, and we have been creating really good communication with you all. Really thank you, our parents. And our students, you guys are amazing. Whenever we ask to be here to attend the raffle or to do some projects, you guys are amazing. And I would like to thank our special guests here for being here. I don't want to take too much of your time. We will have amazing projects and some bounces waiting for you. But finally, I would like to thank my teachers, my staff members. Without them, we cannot do any of these events. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Lights up, Sam I am.
STEMfest, where do we begin? This is one of our biggest events that we have here at Harmony School of Innovation Euless, and we take pride in our STEMfest just as much as we take pride in our math and science night, our literacy nights, and all the other things, and book fair that we have here. But STEMfest being the main, we start prepping for it about close to when school starts, especially who we're going to invite, like all our bounce houses, the planetarium, like all the events and things that we can do for our kids, and then slowly we open it up to the kids. And that's where the fun begins. They come up with cool ideas and demonstrations that either might be at their grade level or sometimes is even much above their grade level. But they like the hands-on and actually demonstrating what they're learning in class or what they've taught themselves, and then give the science behind it. And that's where it gets really interesting and creative. You'll have kids explaining how liquids that are not liquids work, and it's just amazing to see how their physics, biology, all the different things that you can see. We have robotics, drones, all the competition clubs. It's not enough, and kids do multiple things, multiple clubs. They'll sign up for multiple shifts to be here, and they really enjoy the food and science that goes on with it. They love exchanging coupons for things and just having a blast. They look forward to it, and us as teachers look forward to it even more to share this excitement with them.